Do you write bullet points like this? Troubleshoot and resolve production incidents, working with relevant teams to ensure minimal impact. So this is very generic and talking about what this person has done is not talking about the context or the background. Let's take one more example from data analyst at Apple. So design, develop and maintain ETL processes in an efficient manner. This is again very generic and only talking about the responsibility. Let's take one more example from PM Resume at Adobe. Spearheaded multiple automation process improvements initiatives to enhance operational efficiency. What they all talk about is generic responsibility. They are missing the background story, why they have done a particular thing, what was the context, what was the problem they were trying to solve, and what outcomes came out of it. These points doesn't give the full picture. They don't tell a story. Now, how your bullet point can tell a story? I will tell you a formula to write better bullet points so that your bullet points can tell a story. The formula is CAR. Yes, it is very simple. CAR. C for challenge. What was the problem that you were trying to solve? A for action. What steps have you taken to solve that problem? R for results. What outcome came out of that exercise? What were the metrics related to that? Were there 10% increase or 5% decrease or there X amount of saving? So all that together makes the background. Now how you will implement this formula into your bullet points? For simplicity, your bullet points should sound like solved X business problem by doing Y resulting in Z business outcome. This provides all the context that your bullet points are missing. Now before you implement this formula, let's know if that formula works. We at 1 million resume provide the resume writing service and you are seeing multiple WhatsApp screenshots of the clients telling that they have got results. They have got interviews at top tech companies. They started seeing results early. So we use this formula in our resume writing service. That means this formula works. Now let's implement this formula. I am taking an example of that PM Resume at Adobe. Here earlier client has written spearheaded multiple automation process improvement initiatives to enhance operational efficiency. Now when I discuss more context with the client, what he has told me, the challenge was it was a large program and it was spread across multiple teams. Each team was doing their part of that tracking and they are using their own tool. So for PM level and stakeholder or management level, there was no single point of visibility. Tracking was very difficult. Action. So this person realized this problem and planned and drove the implementation of central dashboard where anyone can see the project status, latest updates, and that dashboard was sitting on top of a database by pulling data from various teams using Power BI, MySQL, data processing, etc., etc. The result, management and stakeholders can see project-wise progress updates all at one place and they can see it anytime. So this automated lot of manual touch points and provided a single point of updates. Now if we implement our formula on this point and rewrite this, it becomes solved fragmented project tracking across complex programs. So this is the business problem that this candidate was trying to solve by automating a Power BI based project tracking dashboard. So this is the steps or action that he has taken, resulting in improved efficiency and single point visibility for management and stakeholders. This is the business outcome or results. So you can use this formula to enrich your bullet points with context so that each bullet point tells a story, and if you do this you will get result like this.